So you're watching this video because WASSCE has released the results for BECE or WASSCE, and you need to check the results for a friend, a brother, or even as a business where you check the results for people. I'm going to take you through the process of buying the pin, the voucher, and after buying the voucher, how to check the results. And this is going to be very simple. So kindly watch this video to the very end. And if you are ready, let's get started. So this is the website where you get to check your results. That is ghana.waecdirect.org. Obviously, this video is mainly for those who are in Ghana. If you're not in Ghana, kindly check out other content and you will find the one that suits your interest. So to buy the pin, come to this website. It's one of the reliable websites where you can get to buy the pin and can even retrieve old checkers when you finish buying them. So this is the website. It's called kayocodes.com. Just check it. It's going to be on the description below. And once you come here, just select what you want to buy, whether placement card, WASSCE checker, or BECE checker card. So I'll select WASSCE checker since WASSCE is the current release. Any of them you can check it out and it's going to work for you. So once you check that, you will enter your mobile money number. You just enter the number without indicating necessarily which network it is. They will detect it themselves. You can enter your email here, which is very optional, so I'll just leave that out, and you click on pay. So the moment you click on pay, it's going to process for you to make payments on your phone. If your phone is available, whether you're using a young phone or a smartphone, it's going to make the payment. And you can also check out for the higher quantities. The more quantity you are buying, sometimes there's a discount. So you can check if you're buying for 100 checkers, you have a discount of about 300 cedis over there and all that. So just check out that, and if you're buying more quantity, just buy that straight away. So upon checking, they give you the order ID and everything. And on my phone, I receive a prompt to make payment. So I just show that screenshot on the screen as well for you to see. So with that, you just enter your mobile money pin. Okay, so you enter your mobile money pin to make the payment, and immediately you make the payment, it's going to appear for you. So it's very instant. You can print out your results, or sorry, your checker pin, and use it to check the results. And if you receive the code on your phone and it doesn't come, or if you finish entering your number, it doesn't come, go to your options for the approval. So you go to *170# if you're on MTN, option 6 for wallet, and option 3 for approvals. So I'll just wait for it to load. But so with this, I may not necessarily print it because it has also been sent to my phone as an SMS, so I can use that at any time to make the payment. So we are going straight to the WASSCE Direct website to check out. So I can just copy this. If you're using the PC, it's usually best, and if you're not using the PC, it doesn't matter. So I'll paste in the website, sorry, the index number. I'm going to use my own index number when I wrote WASSCE. So if you want to check my results for me, that's not a problem. So I'll select the year root in 2018, exam type WASSCE school, and okay, so this for private, you don't need that here. So the voucher and the serial number. So you have to check here for the difference. So the serial number is this, the one starting with the letters. So I'll just paste that over here, and I'll go in for the pin, copy that as well, and paste. So that is done. So confirm your examination information. I'll just copy the index number and put here again, select the year to submit. Okay, so immediately the results appears. So you can see how reliable this website is in buying your pin. So results appear. So if you want to see more results, you can scroll in. You can pause the video and find out, but it doesn't matter. I wrote in 2018, so it's of no use again and all that. So thank you very much for watching this video. As I said, your website is the best to buy your white pins, which are very reliable, very fast, and it helps you to be able to do your approvals on time. You don't need to delay. When you buy the pin, it comes immediately. So just check out this website and check for people. You can use this as your business, as I mentioned earlier in the video. Once it's a business, you can add up your own amount to get the pin for people and all that. So you can always use this pin to check your same results any day, anytime you want to do. So thank you very much, and until I see you in my next video, subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and bye bye.